I have created a kids' story video using AI free tools. You can upload those videos on YouTube and make money by monetizing your channel. So first, you have to watch full video. Don't miss any step. Let's start. First part is generate a story script using chatgpt. If you want to learn a tutorial on story writing using chatgpt, you can watch my video link given in description. After generating script, there we go to the second step, which is generating a voiceover. There are examples of so many channels using AI voice on their channel and monetizing them. The voiceover I am using is 11 Labs. Copy the script and paste here. Choose your favorite voice and click Generate. Now we can listen the voice.
Once upon a time, in a picturesque village nestled...
Now we move to the third step, which is generating images for our video. The tool I am using is Leonardo AI. If you want to learn a tutorial on image generating using Leonardo AI, you can watch my video link given in description. I have generated these images using Leonardo AI. Now the last step is combining all of these things to make our video. The video editor I am using is CapCut. You can download it from App Store or Play Store. You can use any video editor you want. After setting all the things, our video is ready to upload on our YouTube channel.
Once upon a time, in a picturesque village nestled between rolling hills and a lush forest, lived a curious young girl named Lila. Lila had an insatiable appetite for adventure, but on one fateful morning, her life took an unexpected turn. Lila was wandering through the forest. As she walked deeper into the forest, she stumbled upon a small clearing bathed in a...
If you enjoy this video, then like it and made me know in the comment section below. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more AI videos. See you soon.